Hello my dear viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to explain one of the most important question. The question is 6 bells commence tolling together and toll at intervals of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12 seconds respectively. In 30 minutes, how many times do they toll together? Now find out the LCM of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12. First we should frame it in this way. That is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12. Okay, next now we should focus on to the first number, that is 2. 2 in 2 table. That is 2 ones are 2. The other number 4. 4 in 2 table, that is 2 twos are 4. The other number 6. 6 in 2 table, that is 2 threes are 6. The other number 8. 8 in 2 table, that is 2 fours are 8. The other number 10. 10 in 2 table, that is 2 fives are 10. The other number 12. 12 in 2 table, that is 2 six are 12. Now here we have 1. 1 not in 2 table, we write down as it is. The other number 2. 2 in 2 table, that is 2 ones are 2. The other number 3. 3 not in 2 table, we write down as it is. The other number 4. 4 in 2 table, that is 2 twos are 4. The other number 5. 5 not in 2 table, we write down as it is. The other number 6. 6 in 2 table, that is 2 threes are 6. Now here we have 1. We write down as it is. The other number 1. We write down as it is. The other number 3. 3 in 3 table, that is 3 ones are 3. The other number 2. We write down as it is. The other number 5. 5 not in 2 table, we write down as it is. The other number 3. 3 in 3 table, that is 3 ones are 3. We got 1, 1, 1, 2, 5, 1. All are prime number. So our LCM, that is LCM is the product of column wise number and row wise number. That is LCM equal 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 5. Now let us multiply this number, that is 2 into 2 4, 4 into 3 12, 12 into 2 24, 24 into 5 120. So 120 our LCM. That means 120 second. Now calculate second to minute. We know 60 second equal 1 minute. We get 120 divided by 60, that is 2 minutes. Bells will ring together after every 2 minutes. Number of times bell rings equal, given this 30 minutes divided by this 2 minutes, equal 15 times. Now we have to add 1 in it because the starting ring is not added to it. Number of times the bell rings equal 15 plus 1 equal 16. Answer: bells ring 16 times in 30 minutes. Okay, am I clear? Thank you for watching my video.